If two people in a relationship are in a relationship because they want to be in the relationship, that's a healthy sign. That's a great relationship. However, if people are in a relationship because they need to be in a relationship, that leads to a codependence, which means basically is that people are expecting the other person in some ways to fill the void or to fill their injuries or wounds that associate with their history. And they really, in some ways, kind of like need one another. And that's come from a place of hurt and pain, and rather than taking a responsibility for their own issues or injury. Then two people, obviously they are not whole, they can come into a relationship while carrying their own historical wounds, knowing that they carry that, but they don't expect the other person to resolve their issues or to take care of that, but rather two individuals that are more mature, that understand their history, coming with pain and hurt and wounds, working together with responsibility to improve their relationship.